Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting updates from Samsung, and it's not just about phones this time. While most people are looking forward to One UI 8 for their Galaxy smartphones, Samsung is also gearing up to bring the One UI 8 Watch beta to its smartwatches. That's right, Galaxy Watch users, this one's for you. Some leaks have already shown off a few early changes like new icons, updated design tweaks, and a handful of fresh features. And now, a new test build has been spotted directly on Samsung's servers. This test version was found by a well-known leaker, the _1C, and it's specifically linked to the upcoming Galaxy Watch Ultra. The build number, A705USQU1ZYAAG, pretty much confirms that Samsung is deep in development for the One UI 8 Watch beta. Another trusted source, Anthony, said this new beta version looks a lot better than what earlier leaks showed. That's a great sign because it means Samsung is clearly putting in extra effort to improve the look and feel, especially for the smaller, round screens on their smartwatches. The interface should now be cleaner, more modern, and easier to use, which is something smartwatch users will definitely appreciate. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you own a Galaxy Watch, you might get the chance to try out these new features very soon. With progress moving this fast, the beta could be released publicly in the coming weeks. And of course, that gives users early access to test out what's new before the final version goes live later this year. On the phone side of things, there's good news for Galaxy A53 users too. Samsung has officially started rolling out the One UI 7 update for the Galaxy A53 in South Korea. The update is about 3.4 GB in size and comes with the build number A536NKSU9FYE1. Along with the newest Android version and Samsung's latest One UI features, it also includes the most recent security patches. This update brings a lot of enhancements, from smoother animations to smarter system performance and updated UI elements. But keep in mind, some features in One UI 7 might not be available on the A53, depending on region or hardware limitations. And finally, here's the surprise no one saw coming. After some delays with the One UI 7 rollout, Samsung seems determined to move faster this time. One UI 8, based on Android 16, might be launching its beta program way earlier than expected. A banner for the One UI 8 beta was recently spotted on the Samsung Members app. The company is already sending out notifications in regions like India, South Korea, and the USA, inviting users to sign up for the beta program. Once it officially goes live, users in those regions will be among the first to get a taste of Android 16 and One UI 8. So, are you ready to test the future of Galaxy devices? Let us know in the comments below what you're most excited about, One UI 8 for phones or the new beta for Galaxy watches. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.